Proper movement is the foundation of a healthy, pain-free life. At Motion Therapy, we specialize in resetting dysfunctional patterns and restoring proper movement, keeping you healthy and providing assistance in staying injury-free. Our motion therapy blueprints are designed to address the root causes of pain and dysfunction, targeting key areas such as the foot, ankle, knee, hip, shoulder, and more. From decompressing the spine to revitalizing foot and ankle movement, each blueprint provides a step-by-step plan for restoring mobility, improving strength, and relieving pain. With 8 specialized blueprints, including our unique aquatic motion therapy and a comprehensive general motion therapy blueprint, we help you reset your body, ensuring long-term wellness and injury prevention. The beauty of our blueprints is that they can be implemented in your current workout regime or used as a standalone program. Whether you're recovering from an injury or looking to improve your movement, we are here to guide you toward a healthier, stronger, and pain-free life.